trader, today 28th of November. What a blessing day, guys. We had another beautiful long trade, counter long trade on Euro Yen. Bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys 4 hour, pretty straightforward. As if you have seen my previous analysis, we've been short here, bank amazing profit. So this morning, just after the London Open, as you can see here, the market previously respected this area, so we were expecting some price action at this level. And how I analyze the market in intraday, I have to taken this counter trade. The target was around this level, which price nicely hit. And let me share with you guys how we managed beautiful profit on Euro Yen. So if you look at you can see a previous analysis. We had such a nice, beautiful short trade here. Now we did another analysis. As you can see here, we have given so much explanation and explained trader. As you can see here, as explained here, if the market is going to develop another pullback here, that's the high probability, and keep enjoying it. As you can see here, the market nicely behave according to the analysis. That was, and if you look at the momentum was bullish, market nicely developed, breakout, and as soon as the market hit to the profit target based on the 4 hour, that's what explained my traders time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, if you don't want to miss all that analysis in real time, and if you would like to make a bank, if you would like to bank amazing profit in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day.